જો તમે અમારી ચેનલ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો હમણાં જ કરી લો. અમારી ચેનલમાં તમને અવનવા શિક્ષણને લગતા વિડીયો જોવા મળશે.
Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss a new method, elimination method in chapter 3, linear equation in two variables. Student, word elimination, the word elimination means to remove. The students, the word elimination means to remove. Here we are going to remove either x variable or y variable. Repeating students, in elimination method we are going to remove either x variable or y variable. Okay students, now our first step will be, we have to underline the term containing x in both the equation. In equation number 1, the coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 4, 10 is constant. Repeating again students, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 4, 10 is a constant. In equation number 2, 2 is the coefficient of x, minus 2 is the coefficient of y, and 2 is constant. Okay, after underlining the terms containing x from both the equation, we have to move in this way. Equation 1 should be multiplied with, this is our equation number 1, should be multiplied with the coefficient of x of equation number 2, that is 2. Okay student, repeating again, we have to multiply overall equation, first equation, with the coefficient of x which is present in equation number 2. Okay, equation 2 should be multiplied with, here 2x minus 2y equal to 2 is our equation number 2, should be multiplied with the coefficient of x which is 3 from equation number 1. Okay students, repeating, we are interchangeably multiplying the constant. Okay, equation 1 is multiplied with 2, equation 2 is multiplied with the coefficient of x in equation number 1, that is 3. Okay, equation 1 is multiplied by 2, equation 2 is multiplied by 3. Okay students, when equation 1 is multiplied by 2, throughout equation, 3x into 2 gives 6x plus 4y into 2 gives 8y, 10 into 2 gives 20. Okay. Next, equation 2 is multiplied by 3 gives 2x into 3 gives 6x. Okay, minus 2y into 3 gives minus 6y, 2 into 3 gives 6. Okay students, now both the equation are multiplied with coefficient of x vice versa. 6x plus 8y equal to 20, 6x minus 6y equal to 6. Now changing sign, minus plus minus, 6x minus 6x will be cut, will be neutralized. 8y plus 6y will give 14y, 20 minus 6 will give 14, 14y equal to 14, y equal to 14 divided by 14, value of y will be 1. Now putting value of y equal to 1 in equation number 1. Okay students, we have already achieved the value of y equal to 1. Now putting y equal to 1 in equation number 1, 3x plus 4y equal to 10, 3x plus 4 bracket, value of y is 1 equal to 10, 3x plus 4 gives, equal to 10, 3x equal to 10 minus 4, 3x equal to 6, x equal to 6 by 3, x equal to 2. Okay students, now moving to our last step, solution set is x comma y equal to, what is the value of x was 2, comma, what is the value of y was 1. Okay students, here we get completed. Okay students, moving to next question with the same method, elimination method. Already we have learned the word elimination. What is meaning of word elimination? Elimination is to remove one of the variable, either x or y. Here we are always trying to remove the x variable. Okay, here are two equations. Equation number 1, 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. Second equation is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. In equation number 1, coefficient of x is 9, coefficient of y is minus 4, 2000 is constant. In equation number 2, 7 is coefficient of x, minus 3 is coefficient of y, 2000 is constant. Okay students, now first step will be underlining the terms containing x, here 9x and here 7x. Okay, now equation 1 will be multiplied by 7 and equation 2 will be multiplied by 9. Students, here we should be careful. 9x, here 9 is a coefficient of x and equation 2, 7 is a coefficient of x. Equation 1 is multiplied with the coefficient of x of equation number 2. Equation 2 is multiplied with the coefficient of x that is 9. So students, equation 1 is multiplied by 7 and equation 2 is multiplied by 9. Multiplying equation 1 with 7 we get 63x minus 28y equal to 14,000. Okay students, we have multiplied equation 1 throughout with 7, 9 into 7 gives 63, 4 into 7 28, 2000 into 7 14,000. Okay, now multiplying equation 2 with 9. Okay, multiplying 7x with 9 gives 63x, multiplying 3 with 9 gives minus 27y and multiplying 2000 with 9 gives 18,000. Okay student, now it's time to change the sign, minus, plus, minus. Okay, here 63x get nullified, minus 28y plus 27y gives minus y equal to minus 4,000. Okay, eliminating minus on both sides, y equal to 4,000. Substituting the value of y, putting y equal to 4,000 in equation number 1. We get, okay, 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. Okay, 9x minus 4 bracket value of y is 4000 equal to 2000. 9x minus 16,000 equal to 2000. 9x equal to, converting minus 16,000 on RHS gives 2000 plus 16,000. 9x equal to 18,000. X equal to 18,000 divided by 9, x equal to 2000. Okay student, final step will be, therefore solution set is x comma y equal to, value of x is 2000 comma value of y is 4000. Okay student, here we get completed. Okay, moving to next question. Our question number 3 is x plus y equal to 25. Second equation is 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. Okay, in equation number 1, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1, 25 is a constant. In equation number 2, 50 is a coefficient of x, 100 is a coefficient of y and 2000 is a constant. Okay, in first step we should underline the term containing x from both the equation. Okay students, here coefficient of x is 1. Okay, after underlining the equation, after underlining the terms, now equation 1 will be multiplied with 50, equation 2 will be multiplied with 1. Okay students, equation 1 thoroughly should be multiplied with the coefficient of x of equation number 2, that is 50. Equation 2 will be multiplied with the coefficient of x of equation number 1, that is 1. Okay, equation 1 multiplied with 50 gives 50x plus 50y equal to 1250. Equation 2 multiplied with 1 gives 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. Okay, changing sign student, minus, minus, minus. Here 50x is eliminated. 50y minus 100y gives minus 50y equal to minus 750. Subtracting 1250 minus 2000 gives minus 750. Okay, negative symbol is eliminated. Y equal to 750 by 50. Y equal to 15. Okay, now putting value of y equal to 15 in equation number 1, we get, okay, what is equation number 1? X plus y equal to 25. X plus value of y is 15 equal to 25. X equal to 25 minus 15. X equal to 10. Okay, student, last step is solution set is x comma y equal to 10 comma 15. Okay, here we get completed. Okay, moving to next question. Question number 4. 8x plus 5y equal to 9, which is our equation number 1. 3x plus 2y equal to 4, that is our equation number 2. Okay, student, here coefficient of x is 8, coefficient of y is 5, 9 is a constant. In equation number 2, 3 is a coefficient of x, 2 is a coefficient of y, 4 is our constant. Now, first we have to underline the terms containing x from both the equation. Okay, here 8x, here 3x. Here coefficient of x is 8, here coefficient of x is 3. Okay, equation 1 should be multiplied with 3. Equation 2 should be multiplied with 8. Okay, students, once again, 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Throughout equation will be multiplied with 3. Why? Because 3 is a coefficient of x of equation number 2. This whole equation number 2, 3x plus 2y plus 4 should be thoroughly multiplied with 8, because 8 is a coefficient of x in equation number 1. Multiplying equation 1 with 3 and multiplying equation 2 with 8 respectively gives 8x into 3 gives 24x, 5y into 3 gives 15y, 9 into 3 gives 27. Okay, multiplying equation number 2 with 8 gives 3x into 8 gives 24x, plus 2y into 8 gives 16y, 4 into 8 gives 32. Changing sign, student, minus, minus, here also minus, 24x minus 24x will be eliminated, 15y minus 16y gives minus y equal to minus 5, eliminating negative on both sides, y equal to 5. Okay, students, now putting y equal to 5 in equation number 1, we get 8x, equation 1 is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Now substituting the values of y in equation number 1, 8x plus 5 bracket, value of y is 5 equal to 9, 8x plus 25 equal to 9, 8x equal to 9 minus 25, 8x equal to minus 16, therefore x equal to minus 16 divided by 8, again x equal to minus 2. Okay, students, solution set is x comma y equal to, value of x is minus 2, value of y is 5. Here it gets completed. Which is very important as it covers the fractional forms. X plus 1 divided by y minus 1 equal to 1, which is our equation number 1. Second equation is x by y plus 1 equal to 1 by 2, that is our equation number 2. But students, these two equations are not simplified. Now first of all we should simplify them. Okay, students, here x plus 1 by y minus 1 equal to 1 and denominator is 1. Cross multiplying, okay, we are cross multiplying x plus 1 with 1 gives x plus 1. Again student, y minus 1 is cross multiplied with 1 gives y minus 1. Now taking variables on LHS and constant on RHS, students, taking variable on LHS and constant on RHS gives x minus y equal to minus 1, x minus y equal to minus 2, equation number 1, which is totally simplified. Here student, in question it is given equation number 1, but actually now we have attained equation number 1, that is simplified equation. Okay, next coming to, so student, we can mark it as equation number 3 without any confusion. In order, if we are going to mark it as equation number 1, we can be confused. Okay students, now again we have to simplify this equation also. Cross multiplying 2 into x will give us 2x, y plus 1 into 1 gives y plus 1. Okay, taking variables on LHS and constant on RHS, 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay, now our equation gets completed, which we can mark it as equation number 4. Okay students, equation 1 and equation 2 were given in the question, but we have achieved next two equation, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Okay, now students, repeating our step. Okay, we have to underline the x terms from both the equation, that is equation 3 and equation number 4. Here coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is minus 1, minus 2 is a constant. In equation number 4, 2 is a coefficient of x, minus 1 is a coefficient of y, and 1 is constant. Okay, now student, multiplying equation number 3 with, okay students, this is equation number 3, we are going to multiply it with 2, which is the coefficient of x in equation number 4. Okay, multiply by 2. Now equation 4, this is our equation number 4, will be multiplied with the coefficient of x in equation number 1, that is 1. Okay, now multiplying equation 3, students. Now multiplying equation number 3 with 2 gives 2x minus 2y equal to minus 4. Students, equation 3 is x minus y equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2. Here 2 into x gives 2x, minus y into 2 gives minus 2y, and minus 2 into 2 gives minus 4. Okay students, next equation number 4 multiplied with 1. Here equation number 4 multiplied with 1, so we are rewriting it 2x minus y equal to 1. Now changing sign, minus plus minus, we are going to eliminate 2x, minus 2y plus y gives us minus y. Here minus 4 minus 1 gives minus 5. Okay, y equal to 5 after eliminating negative on both sides. Okay, putting y equal to 5 in equation number 3 or 4. We can prefer any equation, either equation number 3 or equation number 4. Putting y equal to 5 in equation number 3, we get, okay, our equation number 3 is x minus y equal to minus 2. X minus value of y is 5 equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2 plus 5, x equal to 3. Okay students, now solution set is x comma y equal to value of x is 3 comma value of y is 5. Students, here we get completed. Okay, now students, moving to next question. Our first equation is 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, and next equation is 4x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Students, we are not marking here equation 1 and equation 2 because they are not simplified. First of all, we have to simplify it, that is, we are taking variable x and y on LHS and constant on RHS. Okay, here 2x minus y equal to 3. Now we can say it is, or mark it as equation number 1. Okay, taking x variable and y variable on LHS and moving constant to RHS will give equation number 2 here. Okay students, first step is we have taken x and y on LHS and constant on RHS. Here also we have taken x and y on LHS and constant on RHS. Now students, underline the terms containing x from both the equation. Here 2 is a coefficient of x, here minus 1 is a coefficient of y, and 3 is a constant. In equation number 2, 4 is a coefficient of x, so 1 is a coefficient of y, and 3 is a constant. Now students, okay, equation 1 and equation 2 will be multiplied, but here the step is other than previous methods. Here 2 is a factor of 4, that is 4 is a multiple of 2. Students, we have to consider this topic. We have to not multiply 2 with 4 or 4 with 2 because 2 is already the factor of 4 or 4 is already the multiple of 2, students. So we are going to multiply 2x with 2 in order to obtain 4x, and 4x will be multiplied with 1 in order to obtain 4x. Repeat. Okay students, here 2 is a factor of 4, therefore we are multiplying equation number with 2 and equation number 2 with 1. Here 2x into 2x gives 4x minus 2y equal to 3 2s are 6. Here equation 2 will be multiplied with 1, that is 4x plus y equal to 3. Students, repeating again. In other sums, we have already practiced that we are multiplying 2x with 4 and multiplying equation number 2 with 2. But here the concept is other. Here 2 is already the factor of 4. Therefore, we are directly multiplying 2x with 2 in order to obtain 4x. And we are multiplying equation number 2, that is 4x into 1 in order to obtain 4x in order to nullify. Okay, now changing sign. Okay students, 4x minus 4x gives 0, that is we have nullified it. Here minus 2y minus y gives minus 3y equal to 6 minus 3 gives 3. Here y equal to 3 by minus 3, y equal to minus 1. Okay, next putting y equal to minus 1 in equation number 1, we get, okay, equation 1 is 2x minus y equal to 3, 2x minus 1 gives 3, 2x plus 1 equal to 3, here 2x equal to 3 minus 1, 2x equal to 2, x equal to 2 divided by 2, x equal to 1. Okay students, last step, solution set is x comma y equal to 1 comma minus 1. Students, here we are get completed. Okay students, now moving to next question. Here using elimination we are solving the equation in order to obtain the values of x and y. Okay, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. Next 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Okay students, I have not marked it as equation number 1 or 2. Okay, taking x variable and y variable on LHS and taking constant on RHS gives us equation number 1, that is 3x minus 5y equal to, here it is minus 4, which was on LHS, we have converted on RHS, 0 plus 4 gives 4. Next 9x minus 2y equal to 7, equation number 2. Okay students, here x is already on LHS but y was on RHS, I have converted it on LHS. 9x minus 2y, 7 is already on RHS, I have rewritten it. Okay, now students, underlining the terms containing x, that is 3x, and in equation number 2, 9x. Now student, 3 is a factor of 9 or 9 is a multiple of 3. So we are going to multiply equation number 1 with 3 in order to obtain 9, that is 3x into 3 gives 9x, and equation 2 with 1. 9x, 1 is a 9x. Okay student, 3x into 3 gives 9x. Minus 5y into 3 gives minus 15y. 4 into 3 gives 12. In equation number 2, 9x minus 2y equal to 7 is multiplied with 1 gives 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now changing sign, minus plus minus, here 9x is eliminated. Minus 15y plus 2y gives minus 13y equal to, here 12 minus 7 gives 5. Okay students, minus 13y equal to 5, y equal to minus 5 by 13. Okay, here we achieved the value of y. Okay, now putting y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation number 1, we get, okay, 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Now substituting the value of minus y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation number 1, 3x minus 5 bracket minus 5 by 13 equal to 4. 3x minus minus gives plus 5 5s are 25 divided by 13 equal to 4. Now taking as here 13 into 3, 39x plus 25 equal to 4. Now 39x plus 25 equal to 13 4s are 52. 39x equal to 52 minus 25 gives 27. Therefore x equal to 27 divided by 39. Okay students, now simplifying it, 9 3s are and 13 3s are. Okay student, cutting 3, final answer will be 9 by 13, which will be the value of x. Here we have the value of x. Solution set is, value of x is 9 by 13 and value of y is minus 5 by 13. Okay, now students, for elimination method there are several questions for practice. I have given 3 questions. Okay, first question is 2x plus 3y equal to 70, equation number 1. 3x minus 2y equal to 6, equation number 2. Our next question is 2x plus y minus 35 equal to 0, equation number 1. 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0, equation number 2. Moving to next question, 5x plus 3y equal to 35, equation number 1. 2x plus 4y equal to 28, equation number 2. Students, more you practice, more you able to understand the elimination method.